Today I'm for the Realme 10 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the right side of my phone on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint just to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct. I just simply touch the power key button. I'm not pressing it, just with a simple touch. I just unlocked the device less than in 1 second. This is the good result for the fingerprint scanner, for the fingerprint unlock method. You can try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.